pretty low. Well, here we go. Let's pop the hood.
K20 MB. Ooh, I like a K20 MB.
Well, I've seen this one before anyway. Changed owners.
That's right, it was a different guy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it got actually booked in here for some work, and then whilst it was here, got sold.
Yeah.
Which was weird.
You
So
picked
when
it up for me.
so when the customer comes to pick, we think the customer comes to pick his car, the new guy comes to pick up. Hello, I'm the new owner. I come to pick up my car.
Oh, okay.
You think like, is he?
Yeah.
You know,
Who's paying the bill?
Yeah, he's telling the truth, or is he not? But anyway, that was a little while ago. Basically, he wanted to change the fuel pump on it for a little while. Changed the fuel pump on it. Today, he had to drop the tank on it. He wanted us to underseal above the tank, underseal the top of the tank, sort of thing. Obviously, whilst it was out, so we've done that. Just stick it back on the dyno, make sure everything's okay. Give it a little mat tweak if it needed, which is what we've done. All came out really well. I think we finished on 241.
Went back through the timing, didn't you? A bit of fuel in, that sort of thing.
Yeah, just double checked everything, went through it. There wasn't really any major changes since the vehicle was last here, but it was just a case of double checking.
But 241 and that old MB Aerodeck, that's cool, man.
Well, considering there were 170 when they were new.
They had a B18 in them, didn't they?
Yeah.
So and an LSD, didn't they?
Some of them did, some of them didn't.
Did they?
No, but either way, still a massive improvement, ain't it?
Oh, absolutely.
Over,
Dramatic.
Yeah, 80 brake horsepower.
Yeah.
You know,
That'll certainly get your lawnmower to wherever you're going as quickly as possible.
It will. And you're using it as a daily as well, so it's nice.
Yeah, I like
nice
that.
to see it being used.
I do like that as well, yeah. I miss my old MB.
Should we have a look at the graph?
Let's do it. Pow.
Well, there she goes. She's finished. She's finished on 241 brake horsepower, which is 206 of the wheels. I'm going to go and eat more biscuits, and we'll catch you on the next one.